Hey guys, I have a fun pattern for you today that uses double half hitch knots and berry knots. I'll also show you a variation on this pattern which will show you how to add color when tying your berry knots. I decided to change it up and use 4mm metallic rope for this pattern. This rope is available for purchase via the link in the description. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 4 pieces of rope, each piece is 2 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using Lark's head knots. Use the cord on the left as your filler cord and tie 7 double half hitch knots moving down and to the right. Skip the first 2 cords on the left and using the next 4 cords tie a berry knot. To tie your berry knot, start by tying a sinnet of 3 square knots. Leave a little bit of space in between the double half hitch knots and your first square knot. Grab your 2 filler cords and tuck them through the 4 cords at the top. Tie 1 more square knot underneath to secure your berry knot in place. We will now repeat the same process on the other side of our work. Using the filler cord on the right, tie 7 double half hitch knots working down and to the left. Tie a berry knot on the right side of your work using the same process as you did on the left side. Repeat that process until you've created a pattern of your desired length. I'll show you one more time to show you how to add color when tying your berry knot. Cut one piece of colored cord that is 3 feet in length. Fold it in half and bring it behind 4 strands of cord. Tie your berry knot as usual, except this time you are tying your square knots around 4 filler cords instead of 2. Tuck the ends into the back of the square knot and then cut off the excess cord. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.